Hey, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share how to center the header menu position in your Shopify down theme. Here you can see it's left aligned right now, and we will make this to centered align like this. So for this, we need to log into your store, and here I'm in my product page, and from here we have to click on sales channel, and here we can see our online store. Just click on online store, and in this page you will find your current theme. So my current theme is right now is dawn theme. So here you can see a three dot button. Just click on this button. Here you will find a duplicate option. Always keep a duplicate version of your current theme. It will help you if you faces any problem when you edit some code. So it will be your lifesaver. After that, just click on edit code, and here you can see a search option. Just write down base.css here, and here you can see a base.css file. Just click on this file, and here are our css file. Just we need to go to the bottom of this file and just click on here and by pressing enter, just create a new line, and we need to add some code here. So you will find the code in this website. I will write down the website link in my description box. So yeah, please check the description box for this code. After that, just scroll down a little bit and you will find a code. Just copy this part and go back to your base.css file, click on here and just paste it here. After that, just click on save button, and it's almost done. Just go back to your online store and view your online store. Just click on here. So yeah, you can see this is centered aligned right now. So thank you very much. Subscribe for more video.